Good evening, everyone. Welcome to a new update of the markets. And today we're going to do a small update as I didn't really have that much time to do anything, as I've been building the setup with some friends from the stock exchange, and we have been doing some stuff to the group as well. But if you like my content, please subscribe to the channel or like beneath and follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting another tip on Instagram later today, as I'm sharing some more there as well. What I'm going to analyze today is Bitcoin and the markets in general. What we do see is that the equity markets are doing relatively bad. Had a pretty nice bounce up into the closing of the last week, but as you can see, we are showing some significant weakness, as even Tesla is down 15%. But the more important one is the euro dollar, which is on a crucial level and the exact opposite of Bitcoin actually. Bounced up earlier today, so as long as we hold support, it seems likely that a relief rally on Bitcoin is on the horizon. And you should be aware, during the insane bull market of 2017, the dollar was weakening as well. So then, Bitcoin USDT, higher time frame, still same figure. We've got the level around 9.6, which I still expect to be tested at some point. That's a clear support area for me. And there's a clear level at 9k, 9.2 around that area. And then next it's around 8.5. So that's the levels I'm working with on the downside. Still hanging around here, so we have to zoom in to see where we are standing at this point, and we can see that we are chopping around, giving some different divergence, which actually does not give any information that you should be granting. Got me trapped a little as well. Made a new high at 10.4, couldn't break 10.4, couldn't hold the 10.1 zone, which I wanted to see. So I wanted to see such a higher low structure and compression, and then a breaker to continue the momentum up. We did not do that, but what we see is that we are currently chasing support again and again and again. So we're currently holding the support at 9.9. The CME gap is around 9.6. And the more often the support gets tested, the weaker it becomes. So if we get another test of support, just like we have been seeing at the 11.2 zone, it seems very likely that we're going to break through the support and test 9.6. I've been describing this scenario. In case of this test, what you want to see is the bounce back to 10k or lower time frame, higher low compression period. So I will not be chasing anything at all. But if we get such a downwards drop, it would create another bullish divergence on a stronger time frame. But it's all depending. On the upside, what we do have right now is that you clearly want to get above this previous area around 10.2 to 10.3. So if we drop back down, you want to get a compression period in which you make a higher low on a smaller time frame in which 10,050 holds support. If that happens and we're going to hammer the 10.2 zone for a little bit, a breakout could take us above 10.6 towards these areas here, as we have described previously. But the breaker is around 10.2 to 10.3. If we do reject there and get at 9.9 again, I'm assuming we're going to see the CME gap. Then Ethereum USDT. Stronger, a little bit more than Bitcoin, as you can see. Support held. After that, we've made a new higher low, and we have tested support for support here, but we have also been rejecting, so we get that compression period going. So it's also depending on Bitcoin at this point, but if we do compress and take this high out around $350, it seems very likely we're going to test the area around 380 to 400. If we do reject here and make a new low towards 318, rejection of 335 would grant another low. And then I'm going to look at the areas around, where is it? 285 as a potential wick. And then you get a higher time frame, a bullish divergence, falling wedge structure. And then we have got more clear bottom confirmation. I think everything is in between levels at this point, which is a little bit annoying. Chainlink. Bullish view. We've had a conclusion that if it comes back down towards $10, I'll be definitely looking for some longs. We've also come to the conclusion that a rejection at 13.50 would grant a retracement and would make me eye $11 to 11.50 and $10. And what we see is that $11 is holding, rejection, and actually the same view as what we see on the markets here. So rejection at 12.30 and getting a drop down towards $11 should most likely bring Link down again, and then we might get a drop towards the 8.50 zone, and then we get a higher time frame bullish divergence, right? So everything is correlated to each other, so I don't need to update too much at this point. If you didn't see my new setup at the office, check out my Twitter page where I've posted it. Also follow me on Instagram for a new tip tonight. And enjoy your day, and tomorrow morning I'll be back with another update.